What's up, beautiful people, to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. Green Thumb Family Edition. Green Thumb Family Edition. Yes, I am here today to let you all see and to know where I have placed my fiddle leaf plant. Now, as you can see, it's kind of in the same state it's in. Technically, it has been in this space for probably about 4 days now. But nonetheless, it's in my bathroom, right? Because I did hear and recognize and do my research to see that fiddle leaf plants do well in like humid environments. It came from the rainforest. It actually came from a nursery. It was outside in this Florida heat and weather, which is very humid. It rains, there's sunshine and things like that, right? So I thought with my thinking cap, okay, this is one of my LSU thinking caps. Go Tigers, right? So this is my idea behind putting it in the bathroom. In the bathroom, we take showers. With the shower comes steam, it comes moisture into the air, a little bit of humidity, it fogs up the mirror. Nonetheless, I'm hoping that, it gets to the plants and things like that as well. Also, I am blessed to have a nice sized window. Though blocked, it's a window that elects and allows sunlight to come through it. And so my desire is for it to be here, to be housed, to grow and to prosper here with the elements of the humidity that is created when we take a shower, as well as the sun shining coming through to be able to give it the light that is necessary. Now, this part of the home faces south, so it gets, the morning glory as it comes from the east. This actually like this way, maybe opposite for you. So it comes like this way, boom, 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 from the east to the west, and it gets a full amount of sun, at least 10 hours of sun that this window gets. So, unfortunately, I walked out this morning and saw this laying in the tub, which is weird, right? So I need your help. And I'm sure other people that may come in contact with this video may need your help if you have any knowledge or any expertise in the fact of fiddle leaf plants. Now, this leaf has fallen. It's nice. It feels like leathery paper, right? Leathery paper is the way I would describe how this leaf feels. I almost feel like a banana leaf in it. Well, not really. And I'm saying banana leaf because I feel like I can roll it up and like cook with it, but banana leaf feels definitely different than this. So, I don't know. I don't know if it's still healthy. I don't know if it's ultimately actually dead. I really don't know. These leaves are still holding on now. As you can see, it is like, it's soft. And then even the stem, if I was to like feel it, it feels a little hollow, but not really. I don't know. Let me know, please, in the comment section below what I could do, what I should do, and, maybe what somebody else would do in this case. I feel like being in the bathroom is this last resort. I'm really like trying to like put the recitator or whatever it's called, you see, come back to life situation with it being in the bathroom. Like I said, had the idea. Felt like a good idea in the mind. I brought it here. We're gonna see. And hey, I told Rain, you see all her little toys and gadgets and gadgets and stuff that she uses when she uses the bathtub. Told her, please do not pour anything in this. Please do not play with this dirt, okay? Because one of the main things that can cause funguses and gnat flies and things like that to come into your plants is when you actually use drinking bottled water to just like dump into the top of your plants to water your plant, because there's a lot of bacteria and things that are going on in your mouth, and when you just drink and then pour, it goes to your plant and your plant doesn't know how to filter all of that stuff, so it actually damages your soil. So don't do that, okay? And let me know what I could do. Let me know what I should do to allow my plant to be the best that it can be. As you can see, this is her, this is it, this is where we are. I watered it the day that I repotted it. It's still wet underneath the top layer of soil, so I won't water it today. I will put water in its watering hole because there isn't any in there today. And I'm gonna just, go off of what you say in the comment section. So please allow for this channel to be one that we can communicate with each other, that we can talk to each other, that we can grow together. And if you aren't a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. hit the bell notification so that you're aware of different videos such as this and or different videos that may come across that could be beneficial to you. Not always do I ask questions, but however, this one is to show you where I put the plant, but also ask you questions about the plant and fiddle leaf plants in general. Right, so this is a tricky plant. I honestly could say this has been the hardest plant, or the plant that I've had the toughest time with, which I've heard it's a tough plant to grow. Now I see what they mean and why they say what they said. So we're gonna see what happens. We're gonna see. We are going to see if ultimately I have to, get another plant and do it like that, or we can resurrect it. That's the goal. That's the plan. That's the desire, to bring it back to life, to allow it to grow over 10 feet. Huh, that would be so beautiful and things like that. So let me know in the comment section below. This is where it is. This is how we're going to grow it, depending on whatever we say. And go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And as always, I would like to say, get your hands dirty. I even did in this short video, got my hands dirty, because it makes you feel better and it lets you know that better is on the way, right? At the end of the day, better is on the way when your hands get dirty with dirt. All right, beautiful people. Love you. Till next time.